Another dog. Daming dogs nila, no? Nice. Very nice. Ganda, oh. And they have ano pa? They have really clear nila yung coastal nila for the locals to enjoy it. So they have like restaurants along. May park here ba? And then ano, kaso malayo tayo dun sa side. Wag na. Okay na yan.
This is one way ba?
Hindi ko alam. Pero go man siya. Sabi ni ano, Google.
Go man, nakaharap dito. Tingnan natin. The others vehicle nakadaan man din. Dahan na tayo.
Go man si Google. Go.
Ayun, oh.
Pwede.
Center pala siya. Oh, may mga kwan ba yun?
What? What? This one? You can actually park here, oh, kasi wala tayo makita. I can see that from here kasi side view ako. So here I can just see there the marina.
Yeah, side na.
And then you have here a church office. Oh, this one's nice. It can be an office. Let's go slow, Papa. 30 lang siguro. 30, kanya. Today, ano ngayon? Holiday, and it's a weekday, no? And it's 5 o'clock.
Kaya pala hindi niya discourage na dito kasi
traffic.
Faster doon. Hindi mo makakita yun.
Maybe you can join. There's emerging traffic to na malaking big road. Maybe you can pass there and go diversion. At least we saw the coastal road.
Ito, yun, labas to.
Mag-merge ka na go through the
traffic.
emerging traffic. Go to the highway na. Unless the coastal road is nearer, hindi ba?
Balik na tayo yung coastal. Sa unahan. Pasok tayo ng kuwan.
Ikaw. Pero sa kanya, dyan man siya.
Hindi po nahin kayo sa sakit.
Coastal man din siya ulit. I'll turn it off.